Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So I need to put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and you got about 1 plus s to the power of 4. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about 2u. First the derivative of u square, you got about 2u, and we have the u. First the derivative of number 1, you got about 0. First the derivative of s to the power of 4, you got about 4s to the power of 3 ds. Because we don't have number 4 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 4. This one we change by u. S to the power of 3 ds we change by u over 2 du. U and u, you got about u square. The integration of u square, you got about u to the power of 3 over 3, and we put about c. Number 2 and number 3, you got about 6. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.